For this surds question, I think generally most people will be okay to get this question. It's just a matter, did you do the shorter way or did you do a longer way? So if let's say at first glance, you try to draw out the triangle and you never thought of rationalizing this part. That means you never think about rationalizing this. Then your whole question can become rather long. Okay, so for this question, right, the trick is you need to remember to rationalize it. If you remember to rationalize it, the two parts are quite easy. If you don't, it actually become very lengthy and subject yourself to a lot of careless mistake. So for part one, right, they gave us an area and we wanted the height. So actually this kind of question is no trick. It's just half times base times height. But hopefully your base have been rationalized. So half times base times height will give you the area. Okay, so if I have rationalized, this part will become very simple. It will become a 2 root 2 minus root 3. And how am I going to get the height? I just need to divide over and rationalize. And you carry on to rationalize. Okay, I will not show the rationalize. You give it a try yourself. Okay, that will be a lot easier already. Okay, then in the next situation where they say that BAC is a 90 degree. Okay, it doesn't look like 90, just imagine it looks like 90 here. So we are supposed to find AB. So if you want to, you can assign something like this. So in fact, right, if you assign your AB as X, and because there is a 90 degree, you just use your Pythagoras theorem. So when you use your Pythagoras theorem, you'll be x squared plus x squared equal to 4 root 2, 2 root 3 with a square. So I'm using the rationalized version, so I get 2x squared. Okay, we are looking for the square of AB. So that means, right, I'm looking for x squared. So I let x be AB. So eventually, right, I would like to find out what is x squared. So it's actually quite easy. You expand it carefully. The expansion is your sec2 expansion formula. So you expand it carefully. You will get a 44. You will get a 16 root 6. And then you just divide by 2. You just divide by 2. This, and you do a comparison. You do a comparison with this. You can tell that A is 22 and D is minus 8. So you might have gotten the answer, but maybe you never rationalize. You can see the difference in the length of this question. So that is the surds question. So every time you look at a surds question, right, you should scan around for simplification first. Any part of the info that can be simplified, can be like make this can be simplified or rationalized. Please go ahead first. It will help you through the whole question, especially in a story sum context in this way. So rationalize and simplify no matter what, the moment you see surds.